Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer, tapping on the keypad, and let's enter the first code, which is *# 06 pound. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another code, which is *# 6485 ##. So here we've got the technical code, which will show us the information about our battery. So it will show you the condition of the battery. It will show you also the exact percentage of it. It is extremely useful, for example, in the situation when you feel that your device does not show the percentage properly on the status bar. It will also show you whether it is charging or discharging. It is also useful if again there is a problem with display. All right, and that's all for this code. And another code, which is *#, 4 O's, ##. And here we've got the device information. So for example, we can check the model, which is unknown here, the hardware version, Android version, software version, etc. For some reason we've got this unknown, and here we've got also both email numbers. So if, for example, the first code does not work, you can still check it right here. So now another code, which is *#, 225 ##. And here we've got the calendar information, so we can check all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. Let's go back, and another code, which is *#, 426 ##. And here we are in the diagnostics. It is provided by Google. We can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, we can show advanced view. Just mark it and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and it's time for the last code. It is *#, 4636 ##. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone information and Wi-Fi info. So after tapping on it, we can, for example, check the status. Let's refresh the stats, and here we've got the info just like the SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. And the phone information, it is divided between two because we've got two different SIM cards. And after entering one, we can check the email number, the car network, roaming, and data service, etc. Of course, be aware that you will be able to check all of those details if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why we cannot check it. We can also run ping tests here, and after tapping on the three dots icon, we can enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.